या एज मध्ये आपण दुसऱ्याची मदत घेऊ शकता, परंतु तूच भरून टाक, माझे डॉक्युमेंट तू घेऊन टाक, तसं करू नका. तुम्ही स्वतः भरा. प्रत्येकाला कॉम्प्युटर कसं हाताळायचं, इंटरनेटचा यूज कसा करायचा हे कळायला पाहिजे. कळलं का? त्यामध्ये बाकीचे मॅक्झिमम पोरं असेल आपल्या इथं फॉर्म भरतात 12वीचा आपला कॉलेजचा ऍडमिशनचा, ते समोरच्या कॅफेतून बघतात, डेट ऑफ बर्थ चुकीची करतात, नावाचं स्पेलिंग गडबड करतात, त्याला 200-400 देतात. तुमचे पैसे वाचते आणि ऍडिशनल नॉलेज मिळते. फॉर्म भरताना काय प्रॉब्लेम येतात ते तुम्हाला कळतं. तुमचा फोटो अपलोड करायचा आहे, फोटोचा साईज कसा कमी करायचा, हे ऍडिशनल नॉलेज ते गेम होतं. सिग्नेचर अपलोड करायची आहे, सगळ्याकडे स्मार्टफोन आहे, फोनवरून सुद्धा भरू शकता. कळलं का? तू फॉर्म भरताना स्वतः भरा, अडचण नाहीच्या बरोबर आली तर तुम्हाला कळते कशामुळे. ठीक आहे, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Khalke sir to give information about Student Council, CSR Fund and Student Development to our students.
बरेच चेहरे एकदम बोर झालेलेच आहे. सर्वप्रथम रयतेचे राजे छत्रपती शिवराय, आपल्या शिक्षण संस्थेचे संस्थापक अध्यक्ष पंजाबराव अलियास भाऊसाहेब देशमुख, राष्ट्रसंत तुकडोजी महाराज आणि राजीव गांधी यांच्या पावन स्मृतीस विनम्र अभिवादन करतो. माझ्याकडे जे कमिटी आहे ते आहे स्टुडंट काउन्सिल, CSR फंड अँड स्टुडंट डेव्हलपमेंट. तुमचे मूड जरा एक वेगळे दिसायले त्यामुळे थोडंसं मूड फ्रेश करतो. किसी के लिए ताजमहल एक अजूबा है, किसी के लिए ताजमहल एक अजूबा है, किसी के लिए एक प्यार का एहसास. बट तुम सब लोगों के लिए ये बकवास है, बट तुम सब लोगों के लिए ये बकवास है क्योंकि हर रोज बदलती तुम्हारी मुमताज है. Okay, now coming to the main point. Now your faces are very fresh. I am happy. अभी बढ़ते हुए CSR अपने स्टूडेंट काउंसिल के, इट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आज जो आपके गेस्ट थे विशाल खरचवाल, उनकी जो डेवलपमेंट है शायद इसी से हुई है. वो जो बोले कि आपका वहां का सफर यहाँ तक का जो सफर है वो आप इस जरिए से, ये स्टूडेंट काउंसिल आपका बहुत अच्छा मीडिया बन सकता है. So what is student council is? Student council is nothing but it is a organization or group of volunteers, those who work for the different activities which are conducted by our college for the benefit of our other students. Okay? और तो इसके मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, जसे की म्हणतात की लीडरशिप जे कर्तृत्व आणि नेतृत्व हे कुणाकडूनही उसने घेता येत नाही, ते स्वतःलाच निर्माण करावं लागतं. तो पहिला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह जो आहे तुमच्या स्टुडंट काउन्सिलचा तो आहे टू डेव्हलप लीडरशिप. अँड सेकंड, तुकड्याच सदा या सेवेमध्ये वस्तू दे वरची असा दे. राष्ट्रसंत तुकडोजी महाराज हे म्हणून गेले. काय हे सांगता आपल्याला? दॅट इज आवर द सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह, दॅट इज टू डेव्हलप दी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. थर्ड इज, हम सब गर्व से कहते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान हमारा सबसे महान देश है इस वर्ल्ड में. बट ये व्हाई इट इज महान? क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ वी आर, दिस कंट्री इज रन बाय द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. And this constitution gives us some fundamental rights as well as some of the duties. So you should be aware of these fundamental rights and duties and make other people also aware. So that is our third objective, to develop a citizenship within you. And the last and very very important objective is की महाराज आधी लग्न कोंडाण्याचं आणि मग माझ्या रायबाचं असं जिवंत आणि ज्वलंत इतिहासाने उदाहरण देणार आपल्याला हे काय सांगतं? राष्ट्रप्रेम सांगतं. आणि दॅट इज आवर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह इज टू डेव्हलप पेट्रोटिझम विदिन यू. So these are the most four objective of the student council. Now I am not going to do much of student council. Next is you have the CSR fund scheme. So what is the CSR fund scheme? इसमें क्या है कि this is the scheme raised by your college staff itself. हम लोगों की सैलरी से कुछ अमाउंट डिडक्ट होता है और वो आपके लिए यूज होता है. तो इसमें जो भी नीडी स्टूडेंट्स है, जो भी पुअर स्टूडेंट है, नीडी स्टूडेंट्स आई कैन से, तो ये जो सारे स्टूडेंट है जो फाइनेंशियली जिनको प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो दो स्टूडेंट्स कैन एक्सेस दिस. scholarship for the education, your fees, for sports, culture, research, whatever. Okay, that is our CSR fund. The next is the student development. So what is student development? So under this we conduct different activities. So in the college student council, you work mainly for the college, and under the student development, you mainly work for the other activities which are conducted by the outside the college. Okay. So these are the different things which are related to these three things. I am not going to much deeper. I will just show you some video so that you can get a better idea. And at the last, I have put a QR code. So those students which are very interested, those who want to develop themselves, please join the student council group, because whatever comes from outside, inside, whatever it is, I always post on that group. So you will get aware of what is going on in the college and what you need to do. Okay? So please play the video. Very short video, not very boring kind of thing. Only 5 minutes. QR code हो गया सर. So my dear students, and now I am getting a hunch that you must have understood what exactly we are going to do in the student council. So I am damn sure that next time whenever I will show the next video, all the pictures from must be from yourself only, you people only. Okay? So with this, I request all the students please scan this QR code and join the student council group. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Ramanka sir to give information about training and placement to our students. I request all conveners to complete their presentation within 5 minutes. Kindly take care.
सर्वप्रथम प्रतिनिधित्व उपस्थित राष्ट्रसंत तुकडोजी महाराज डॉक्टर पंजाबराव उपाध्याय भाऊसाहेब देशमुख यांना विनम्र अभिवादन करतो. ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल एम्पावरिंग स्टूडेंट करियर, साइंस कॉलेज कांग्रेस नगर नागपुर. Welcome to a comprehensive overview of how our training and placement cell serves as a catalyst for student success, bridging the gap between academic excellence and professional achievement. Vision and mission of training and placement cell. Vision is grooming for excellence to empower students with the competencies and confidence to secure role in top-tier companies globally. Mission is holistic development to instill professional skill, career planning, and provide invaluable corporate exposure. The heart of career success are dedicated leadership, industry connection, program coordination, dedicated leadership led by placement officer and faculty coordinator, ensuring expert guidance and support. Industry connection acts as a vital link between ambitious students and top recruiters from diverse industries. Program coordination coordinates campus recruitment drives, internships, and essential career guidance programs. The team of training and placement cell, myself Parag Ramanka, training and placement officer, departmental coordinator from each department. Next. Role and responsibilities of training and placement cell, database management, maintaining updated student and company database for targeted placement, training and talks, organizing pre-placement talks, training sessions and mock interviews, corporate networking, building strong ties with leading companies for internship and campus recruitment, counseling and feedback, conducting career counseling and valuable post-placement feedback analysis. Some activities run by training and placement cell are communication skill, interview skill, resume building, expert lecture, aptitude test, end-to-end mock interview experience, mock group discussion, and presentation skills. More than 180 students placed last 5 years by training and placement cell. Some activities run by training and placement cell are thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Professor Anwani sir for some information.
Hello students. Once again good afternoon to you all. Very quickly I will inform you about the online courses that you can undergo while studying in this college. In National Education Policy, it has been taken into consideration that you can you can earn certain credits through SWAYAM and NPTEL portal. These two portals are for online education and they are supported by Government of India. And in the first phase, this work was assigned to all IIT peoples, and later on it was extended to either ISC Bangalore and some national institutes. आप लोगों ने मेजर सब्जेक्ट चूज किया है, माइनर भी चूज किया है, एंड GEOE जेनरिक इलेक्टिव भी आपने सिलेक्ट किया है. Now you can pick up certain things related to that from Swayam and NPTEL portal, and you can undergo registration for that. The college is having a local chapter of this Swayam NPTEL portal. Today's the subject. This is our ID 6289 is our local chapter ID, and your enrollment will be through this local chapter. And through this you can earn credits. Those will be reflected into your mark sheet, and you don't have to undergo university exam. You can undergo Swayam NPTEL examination, and for this some registration fees is also required. So this is the most important thing I wanted to tell you. समोर एका स्लाइड वरती त्याचे वेबसाईटचे ॲड्रेसेस दिले आहेत. Next registration will be in the month of January. So that time we will be approaching to you through your mentors. We are running a mentor-mentee scheme. So we are running a mentor-mentee scheme, and through that we'll be approaching you so that you can register for certain courses. These are the two websites. One is of Swayam and another is of NPTEL. So I wish that you should note down these websites, browse these websites, and find out something suitable for you. Swayam Plus has launched some programming also, which is free of cost. You should take advantage. Those who are interested in coding, they should take advantage. Teachers of this college are also taking courses through Swayam and NPTEL to upgrade their knowledge. So thank you very much. If anyone has any question, you can contact me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. After this, I'd like to invite Professor Y.K. Mishra Madam for Women Grievance and Students Teacher Guardianship.
Good afternoon all. First of all, I pay my tribute to great educationist Dr. Panjabrao alias Bhavsaheb Deshmukh, Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj, and former ex-Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. Today I am here to present the functioning of WGRC. All respected staff member and my dear student, I, Dr. Yogita Meshram from Department of Chemistry, is delighted to welcome you all in Shivaji Science College, Congress Nagar, Nagpur. It gives me immense pleasure to interact you all today as the convener of Women Grievance Redressal Cell. The purpose of our cell is to provide a conducive environment for girl students and women employees on campus to ensure their freedom, safety and security in an atmosphere of equality and dignity, and to maintain gender equity. The cell comprises the following members. Honorable Principal Dr. O.S. Deshmukh sir is the chairman, myself Professor Yogita Meshram, convener, Professor Rachel Deshmukh, Dr. Vishali Kinikar and Dr. Shilpa Geda madam as a member. First of all, let us look at the objective of WGRC. The objectives are to provide and maintain dignifying, congenial working environment for female staff members and students, where they can work and study and explore their maximum potential, and also to provide guidelines for the redressal of grievances. To promote general well-being for female students, teaching and non-teaching staff. Second, to arrange the action program to bring about changes in practices and attitude within the society towards recognizing the fundamental rights to gender equality. The sale also tries to equate social and legal rights. To highlight the importance of health and hygiene. To keep this objective in mind, WGRC organizes various programs such as slogan competition, essay competition on women's security and safety, women empowerment, gender equality and cyber security, health checkup camps, seminars, symposium, celebrates International Women's Day, workshop on self-defense awareness program on social and legal rights. Remember, prevention is as important as redressal, and each one of us has a role in shaping a safe and positive campus environment. To aware the students about their social and legal rights, and to also provide platform to present their ideas to bring positive change in the society for betterment of future life, SAIL invited prominent speakers who aware and delivered a talk on various topics such as gender equality, women's safety, women's rights, women empowerment, health and hygiene. Few of them are Mrs. Shalini Sharma, Additional Commissioner of Police, Nagpur, Mrs. Vijaya Vanzari, Assistant Police Sub-Inspector. These are some speakers. Mrs. Shomita Biswas Madam, IFS Officer. SAIL also organized one international symposium. The eminent speakers were Shukuku Shamsi, University of Australia, Miss Main Melody, Rock Founder Director Canada, Shilpi Srivastav, Department of Chemistry, Kalinga University Raipur, Shilpi Patil, IGNOU. Shri Milind Ponche, who is a counselor, Deepak Nair, who demonstrated the self-defense technique, Dr. Anuradha Ridolkar, Dr. Charu Bahiti Madam, as well as Dr. Payal Chude Madam, they deliver a talk on health and hygiene. I appeal and encourage all students, irrespective of gender, to stand together in promoting awareness, respect and inclusivity. My dear students, to keep healthy and safe environment in college and society, let's come together and work together. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you. Now moving towards the further committee, that is Student Teacher Guardian Committee. All staff member and their student, I Dr. Yogita Meshram, in charge Student Teacher Guardian Committee, would like to highlight the intent and functioning of Student Teacher Guardian Committee. As you know, teacher plays a very important role in overall development of students' life. Mentoring of students is an integral part of our educational system, which helps students to complete their higher education with great achievements. Student-teacher relation plays a very important role in teaching, learning, evaluation process and development with new insights on his or her knowledge and skill. The objective of Student-Teacher Guardian Committee is to strengthen teacher-student relationship, to work towards common goal of student and their overall development, to acclimatize the new student to the College of Environment, and also to provide comfortable space for open discussion and to address their issues, and also to incorporate the mentoring system in campus. Now you know the role of teacher has changed over the years. They are no longer only your teacher but also considered as a mentor, guardian and counselor. They keep the track of your mental, physical and emotional development for well-being and greatly responsible for shaping the student future. Teacher always encourage and motivate the student to participate in co-curricular as well as extracurricular, which helps the student to build up higher self-confidence and also assist to develop the spirit of teamwork, time management and organizational and leadership skills. For the smooth functioning of this teacher mentor scheme, a teacher is nominated as a guardian for a batch of 25 to 30 students. This batch will be associated with the respective mentor for the 3 years. Mentor will create WhatsApp group of their respective batch for easy access to all members. Students have to fill one student profile form by which the mentor can keep the record of their personal and academic information with them. All mentors regularly organize meetings to keep the tab on students' development and to monitor different activities such as attendance, slow learner, academic performance and their participation in extracurricular activities and their overall development. I would like to emphasize that regular meeting and interaction will help you building confidence and overcoming difficulties and planning for your future. I urge you all to make the best use of student-teacher guardian sales opportunity by actively participating and sharing your thoughts and seeking guidance wherever needed. And time to time, they are given the information regarding career opportunity in our college. Various beneficiary schemes are also there. The mentors share information about various beneficiary schemes which support financial weaker students. So to make you special, to make you more special and boost your enthusiasm and moral support, student birthday and achievements are also celebrated. The mentor of our college left no stone unturned for maintaining good academic atmosphere and providing quality education. So all the mentors have taken up the responsibility of safeguarding and nurturing the newly admitted student throughout the year. So dear student, this mentor-mentee scheme is for you and for your growth, development and success. Together with your hard work and guidance of your mentor, I am confident that you will excel not only in academics but also in life skill, values and characters. Mentor will always be there to assist you as and when required. Above all, our respected principal sir will be always there to guide and support you at all times. So next time, in next week, committee will provide mentor-mentee list on your WhatsApp group. So let's work hand in hand and to build a healthy, supportive and inspiring environment for all of you. So all the best for your future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. This is the last committee. So, madam just finished it in 5 minutes. I invite Dr. Shaheen, madam, for career Katta.
A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of the Career Katta committee, I, Dr. Shaheen Sayyed, extend my warm greetings to all of you. So as we are running late, so I am just showing you the procedure through which you are connected to Career Katta. So Career Katta is an initiative which is run by Maharashtra Information Technology Support Center and Maharashtra Higher Technical Education Department with a motto or a mission of overall development of youth. So these are the 3 programs which we are running under the Career Katta. One is the IS Annual Visit, Entrepreneurs Visit to You and Model Skill Development Center. These are the achievements which we have done under the Career Katta over last 2 years. So for the Career Katta is basically for the student and it is run by the student. So for the smooth running of all these activities, we are forming a career council. I request my career council student to please come forward so that you should know where you have to contact all these members. Please come. So these members are forming the career councils. They are having their particular designation and they are playing their role according to their designation. And for any query or for participating in any event, you can directly contact them. They are helping you to participate in events run by the Career Katta. Okay. So these are my students of Career Council. Thank you. So this one initiative is the IS Annual Visit, in which every evening 5 to 6 one online program is running where you have the classes of online MPSC exam preparation. It is free of cost as at the time of admission you have paid the fees of rupees 365. And on that 365 rupees, you have the access of Career Katta app for 3 years. Okay? And every evening from 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, these 3 programs are running where you can get the information regarding your competitive examination, your visit with the IS officer as well as for the model skill development or skill enhancement courses. It is running. So you just go through the app, you will get all the details. So I am directly showing how to register to the app. So what you have to do, you have to just download the app Career Katta from the Play Store. Okay, any Android mobile phone, from any Android mobile phone you can download the app Career Katta. There you have to go to students login, and there you have to enroll your mobile number. Mobile number, which mobile number you have submitted at the time of admission. It is more important. Email ID or mobile number you have given at the time of admission, you can get access from only that mobile number or email. And the password is 123456. So through this you can get the login, and from on login you can go to your student dashboard. There you can get the information which courses are presently going on. And so the Career Katta help you for the growth of your education, for the growth of your communication skill. It enhances your skill and it helps in your career growth. Thank you. Along with this, in Career Katta we have the Model Skill Development Center and Innovation and Incubation Center. So in with this we are running more than 2 or 3 startups, in which our 2 students have got the startup funding from the Maharashtra state for their startup project, and we have the MOU with Atal Incubation Center Baramati. So they are propagating your idea in 4 stages. So they take your idea from your hand to the market value. So any student which are having any idea related to their startup, they can contact the Model Skill Development Coordinator, Dr. Sarang Bhote sir. So he will help you to promote your idea or startup at the next level.
Thank you, madam. As we come to the close of this wonderful journey of SIP 2025-26, it is my honor and privilege to extend a vote of thanks on behalf of organizing team. A special thanks to our respected principal, Dr. O.S. Deshmukh sir and Professor Bobre sir for their constant support, guidance for making this program successful. Thank you, Professor Ghurmade madam, for encouragement and strong backbone. I sincerely thank all SIP committee members, faculty members, colleagues whose dedication and efforts ensure smooth conduct of every session. To our students, your enthusiasm, discipline and active involvement added a great energy and meaning to this program. You are the true reason behind this success. A big thank you to the technical team, volunteers and support staff who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure everything ran seamlessly. With this, we bring our program to a close. Thank you all once again, and we are looking forward to the cultural program. So enjoy.